after this video, you will no longer throw away egg cartons ever again. We got the grande egg carton, and then we got un petit egg carton. Do I dare open this drawer? Oh, okay, it isn't that bad. How about this one? That could use some help. I got 3 situations where you're gonna use this egg carton right here. Let's cut this off first. And you can actually use both sides depending upon the size of your items. This is a great way to store all your favorite fruits without them rolling around in your refrigerator and getting all banged and bruised up. Or how about like this? Ooh, now that is looking much better. And no more scratches to your beloved sunglasses. Now, let's talk about this problem area. Look at all these jars and what happens when you only have a little bit left in something. Let's say ranch, we go through this like crazy. I also really like to do this with salad dressings. Just pop this in your refrigerator and no stress when it comes to getting your last bits out. All right, now look at all this clutter that we got going on here. And you know how the bottom of your raspberries will often seep through to other parts of your refrigerator and stain things? See what I'm talking about right here? Raspberry juice all over that. And this is just so stinking cute. We eat with our eyes first, and this makes it extra fun for those kids. How about for organizing those coffee K-cups? Also, this makes it easy to travel around if you are hosting a party and you need to take these somewhere. It's kind of got that farmhouse rustic vintage feel. Adorable. That looks way cuter than this situation I got going on. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.